Hi, I'm Trish with WTI, and I finally found them. The perfect set of sheets for both myself and my husband. These sheets are made from bamboo, and they're from Hotel Sheets Direct, and I love them. Let me tell you just a couple things that I love about them. Number one, they're super, super soft, and my husband and I both tend to sleep at different temperatures, and these sheets just are comfortable for both of us. They breathe. They feel very soft against the skin. Absolutely love them. But my favorite thing is that I don't mind making the bed. Who likes making the bed? Nobody likes making beds. But with these sheets, because they're so soft and they're kind of like satiny, they just slip right over the bed. It makes it so much easier to change the sheets. I'm so glad that we found these bamboo sheets. Obviously, you can tell I highly recommend them. And that is my point of view.